Hey, my name is Kenson, and here is my response to the interview questions. Before I go into what I value in an organization, I think I'll go into what I believe workplace culture really means. For starters, I personally believe that workplace culture refers to the environment that we work in, and it is a combination of the company's values and attitudes towards other peers in the workplace. I think that the company should be positive and encouraging, which can be achieved by inclusiveness and diversity from other peers. Moving on, I think the most important thing that I value in a workplace is the quality of treatment and opportunities, as well as mutual respect for each other. The reason for this is because it creates an environment that is safe for employees to produce work to the best of their ability and know that their hard work for the company is being acknowledged, which will then prompt them to be more productive and proactive in the future. For example, in my previous internship, I had various good experiences. Particularly, one of the reasons why it was good was mainly due to the workplace being very positive and welcoming, as most of my coworkers were understanding of myself being a junior and were really willing to teach me new things. During my internship, I was also provided a lot of opportunities to work on the current projects that the company was working on, and I felt that my opinions were being respected and listened to, despite myself being fairly new to the company. Basically, I could say that I didn't really have any bad experiences in my first engineering internship. But if I had to talk about a negative experience, I'd say there was quite poor communication between myself and my other coworkers, as they would sometimes forget to notify me or invite me to regular meetings that I was meant to attend. And I think this was because my name was not in the company system yet, as I was just a temporary intern at the time. Furthermore, these experiences led me to understand the significance of working in a workplace that is non toxic, as it can increase the efficiency of employees as they are more comfortable in opening up and working with coworkers that they are able to develop sustainable connections with. These experiences also helped me to realize that a positive workplace environment is essential for the efficient flow of communication and teamwork between peers in the workplace, which would lead to the increased levels of productivity and team morale. Lastly, in terms of what culture I would bring to a leadership role, I think I would personally bring an inclusive and providing one to ensure that my coworkers are comfortable in the environment that we are working in. I would want them to know that I will always be able to provide reliable support for them, even if they are experiencing any difficulties whilst working for the company. Other cultures I would bring them would be proper work life balance to ensure that they are well rested and ready to work for the next day. This is because good work life balance is essential in making sure that they don't burn out. And that concludes my answers to the interview questions. Thanks for taking the time to listen to my response.